Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun suddenly vanished? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, let's dive into this hypothetical scenario. The immediate consequence would be an instantaneous plunge into darkness. No more daylight, the sky would turn into an eternal night. But the effects wouldn't stop there. Photosynthesis, the process that allows plants to convert sunlight into energy, would come to a sudden halt. This would disrupt the entire food chain, as plants form the basis of most ecosystems. With no new energy being produced, life as we know it would begin to wither away. And then, there's the cold. With no sun to warm us, Earth's surface temperature would drop rapidly. Over time, our once vibrant planet would transform into a frozen wasteland, with temperatures plummeting to levels unable to support most life forms. In short, without our sun, Earth would become a dark, frozen world, unable to support life as we know it. But the absence of the sun would affect more than just our temperatures and light sources. Let's delve into the gravitational impact. The sun, being the behemoth it is, exerts a tremendous gravitational pull, keeping Earth and other planets in our solar system in check. This force is what keeps our planet orbiting around the sun. Without it, Earth wouldn't just float aimlessly in space. Instead, it would continue moving in a straight line at the same speed it was traveling when the sun vanished. Picture this. An object moving at the colossal speed of 67,000 miles per hour. That's nearly 30 times the speed of a bullet fired from a rifle. This would be Earth, a runaway planet, speeding off into the cold, dark expanses of the universe. And remember, this wouldn't just happen to Earth. Every planet in our solar system would face the same fate. So, without the sun's gravitational pull, Earth would be catapulted into the vastness of space. The sun's disappearance wouldn't just affect Earth, but the entire solar system. Now imagine this. Without the sun's gravitational pull, planets and asteroids alike would be sent hurtling on a straight path into space. Remember, it's the sun's gravity that keeps our planets in their orbits like invisible cosmic strings. Snap these strings and the planets are free to shoot off in all directions like marbles on a polished floor. Consider the game of cosmic billiards that would ensue. Planets and asteroids, once held in check by the sun's gravity, would be free to collide with one another. The once harmonious celestial ballet of our solar system would descend into chaos. Without the sun, the glue that holds our solar system together would be lost. Our familiar night sky would change dramatically as planets and asteroids would shoot off into the vast expanse of space. The loss of the sun would spell the end of the solar system as we know it. So, we've seen some immediate and midterm effects, but what about the long-term consequences? Imagine the Earth, stripped of all warmth and light, left to the mercy of the harsh, cold vacuum of space. Without the sun's heat, our planet's surface temperature would plunge drastically, transforming the once vibrant blue sphere into a frozen wasteland. The oceans would turn into vast expanses of ice, and the atmosphere would eventually freeze as well, falling to the ground as snow. Life as we know it would cease to exist. Plants, unable to photosynthesize in the eternal darkness, would perish. The food chain would collapse, leading to the extinction of most animal species. Any surviving organisms would likely be extremophiles, creatures adapted to withstand extreme cold and darkness, clinging to existence in the deepest recesses of the Earth's crust. In conclusion, the sun's disappearance would be catastrophic, leading to a dark, cold, lifeless Earth hurtling through space.